Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, as you can see from the background, this is not really a DIY because this is beyond my skill set. Yeah, so what am I going to replace? Okay, as you can see over here, my windshield has a crack here, and that small little chip on the windscreen has developed into a small line, and it grows bigger and bigger and bigger, as the days go by, because in Singapore, right, our weather is like 35 degrees sometimes, okay, so, the glass might expand and contract sometimes, so the line actually, becomes bigger and bigger, and right now, I'm actually at a shop to do my windscreen. Alright, so this is one of our friend's shop, okay, it's called City Auto. Yeah, so this shop, right, actually specializes in windscreens. Yeah, so right now I'm going to show you a bit more, okay, when I go into the shop and check out the cars in there. Yeah. Alright, so this is the scary step because they're going to remove the glass from the car. Yeah, because this windshield is broken and they're going to remove every bit and all these pieces, okay, out from the car before they can remove this and replace it with the new one. The staff, right, was very friendly. He actually explained to me some of the steps and like how to remove and how they do the tinting and everything, because we have a sunshade, okay, installed on the windscreen, okay, free of charge, okay, and the thing is, right now is the most critical part, which is removing the broken windshield, okay, because the windshield, right, it is cracked, so it might come out in one piece, it might come out in a few pieces, okay, but I actually checked with my friend Denise, right, okay, he said usually they'll come out in one piece because they are not meant to be like broken into pieces. So we're going to show you how this looks like when it comes out. Alright, so one of the staff was pointed out to me, okay, as you know, okay, I've changed this piece of rubber before. Okay, one of them is installed in the wrong way because this one, right, goes in this direction, 1, 2, 3, and the other one goes in another direction, which is this. I hope you guys get what I mean. Yeah, so I actually put one of the screws from here over to here. Right, so right now they're using a steel wire. Yeah, as you can see, the wire is cutting through the glue on the underside. Right, so out with the old windshield. So this is how it looks like beyond the windshield. Yeah, this should be the glue that's sticking it all the way to the other side. Yeah. So right now we're clearing out the old glue. Yeah, so we need to clean out the surface properly before we glue the new one in. Right, so right now we're going to get some hands on. Yeah, because I was looking at this, can't be that difficult. Yeah, so there you go. You see? You see? I told you it is not so difficult. 这样可以吗？Should be can lah.
Can or not?
这样可以吗？你看一下，我怕一半等下吹哦，你可以看吗？这样没吗？可以啊，可以啊，厉害啊！比较笑。 See, DIY, everything also can do. Like what I said, it's an easy job. So right now the guy is helping me to clean up the mess I made. Yeah, no lah, okay lah. He say it is quite okay, so don't have to worry. Yeah, so if the new windshield got issue, you all know where the problem is. Right, so what's happening now? Alright, you can see the guy is applying the glue, the gum, onto the windscreen and onto the car, because you need both sides to have the glue, and then wait about 5 to 10 minutes before you install the glass, and that will be it.没有拍到，可以放多一次啊。
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
开玩笑。Alright, so guys, as you can see, the windshield is properly installed and done. Alright, so the guy actually told me, do not drive the car above 80 kilometers per hour, and you can't wash the car for 2 days. Yeah, I think they need the glue and everything to fully settle in. Yeah, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button, please subscribe, okay? And the insurance agent, I will drop down his details. Okay, check this out. Yeah, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding your car. Bye bye.